Hey guys, how you doing? It is 9 o'clock, Tuesday, April 30th. It's the first break of the night. Panini basketball. Here is the cereal and the NBA logo. Alright, good luck. Let's go. Alright, box is empty. First pack. Normally, blaster boxes have been pretty good. Like Corey Brewer, Nuggets. Eric Gordon, the Hornets. Will Barton, Blazers. Shane Battier, Heat. Manu Ginobili, Spurs. John Lure, Grizzlies. We got Deron Lamb, Bucks. Will Burton, Blazers. Ben Gordon, Bobcats. Jason Kidd, Knicks. Got matching numbers. Blake Griffin, Ed Davis. Tyler Hensbrough, Pacers. Nate Robinson, Bills. Earl Monroe, Knicks. Kyrie Irving, Cavaliers. And then we got Antoinette Mowley, 76ers. We got Quincy Billups, Clippers. Josh Smith, Hawks. DeMarcus Cousins, Kings. Ray Allen, Heat. Steve Kerr, Bills. Perry Jones, Thunder. Markieff Morris, Suns. And Jimmy Butler, Bills. Anderson Verge, Cavaliers. Evan Turner, 76ers. Boris Diaw, Spurs. Spencer Hawes, 76ers. Marcus Camby, Knicks. Tyrese Thomas, Bobcats. Darius Morris, Lakers. And Robert Scare, Lakers. Jason Thompson, Kings. Kyle Lowry, Raptors. Eric Bledsoe, Clippers. Nate Thurmond, Warriors. Serge Ikpe, Thunder. Taquan Jones, Magic. Jared Cunningham, Mavericks. Chandler Parsons, Rockets. Aaron Alfalo, Magic. James Harden, Rockets. Here's of the Hall, Walt Chamberlain, Lakers. Lau Ding, Bills. Ty Lawson, Nuggets. Monty Ellis, Bucks. Terrence Ross, Raptors. And Derek Williams, Timberwolves. Right, 2 more packs. Channing Frye, Suns. Jose Chaldron, Raptors. We got Kyrie Irving, Cavaliers. David Robinson, Spurs. Raymond Sessions, Bobcats. Nandu D. Kula, Spurs. Myers Leonard, Blazers, and then Kevin Murphy, Jazz. We got DeMar DeRozan, Raptors. Amari Stoudemire, Knicks. Arson, can't say that last name, but Bucks. We got jersey card. Look at that, in a blaster box. It is Jeff Teague, Hawks. We got Shaquille O'Neal, Lakers. Sean Marin, Mavericks. Marcin Grout, or Corte. I can't say that, sorry. Suns. We got Evan Johnson, Hawks. And Bismack by Mumbo, Bobcats. Alright guys, that's it for the Panini basketball. I got a few more boxes of those, so I'll be putting those up. See if we can get some more jersey cards out of them. And even maybe some autographs, see how that works. I'll be back in a little bit. We'll be breaking 2012 Topps value box. And I'll see you all in a little bit.